Hi guys, good morning. It's Saturday and isang tulog na lang is mag-rest day na tayo. Charot. So, anyway guys, is what you have noticed. Andito na ako sa work and for today's agenda guys, I will just have to encode all the sales as usual. So, if you're asking guys kung bakit yun yung usually na ginagawa ko is because that is my main duty as an admin staff dito sa Patron. So, I know some of you guys wondering kung bakit pa ulit-ulit yung duty ko. It's because that is my main duty. So, encoding sales, through monitoring of sales, and everything about business operation. Kasi yun talaga yung main purpose kung bakit ako naging admin staff. So, more on paperworks talaga yung work ko. So, anyway guys, share ko lang for everyone's information. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako.
May nga di triple max yan sa assurance max guard. 18 yan sa triple max 11. 22570 or 16 ano siya? 22570 or 16 assurance max guard Mayda. 18. Mayda. 18. Uy, ang tingo. Nag-e-echo, ano? Nag-e-echo. Ano na girl? Ang bunting girl? Yes. Fake sote, fake sote, fake sote. Ay!
Ginagawa mo!
Maghalo. Maghalo ba ako na graba? Ini mix na Del mix. Kaya na siya. Pag o niya. Na order easy. Dari man yung sa akin. Is it
So, anyway guys, after work nga pala is niyaya ako ng partner ko na pumunta sa JNF kasi nga sobrang dami daw na sales doon and merong buy one take one and then meron ding 50% off. So let's see kung ano yung pwede namin mabili doon. So anyway guys, I just wanna share with you kung ano yung itsura ng office namin. Actually pinakita ko nyo to last vlog ko, pero yun, sobrang na-amaze lang din ako kasi nga sobrang aliwalas ng tignan yung office namin. So anyway guys, andito na pala kami sa JNF and as what you have noticed, sobrang daming sales and meron silang buy one get one free and then meron silang sales like 50% off discount. And as what you have noticed guys, sobrang daming tao talaga dito sa JNF and sinusulit talaga nila yung pa-sale nila kasi nga sobrang lapit na din ng Christmas. So anyway guys, after namin mamili is umuwi na din kami agad and so far wala naman kaming ibang ganap and yung nabili lang namin is more on chinilas talaga kasi yun talaga yung purpose namin kung bakit kami nandito. So anyway guys, pauwi na din kami and that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!